Okay, you guys see right here, it's getting the gap. Gotta make sure they put a lot to fill that. Probably this is gonna be soaked by the deep of the gap. We will see. But on top of this, we're gonna put some mortar on top of this gap, and we're gonna do some kind of makeup. Of course, you cannot expect this to be strong enough to hold it, right? Because this is a huge slab, very, very heavy. Probably, I think maybe 4,000 pounds, maybe something like that. I'm not really sure how much it is, but I know it's very, very heavy. And right now, well, we gotta just put this, and we're gonna put some cement just to make up this, top of this one. And I put this over here. Now we're going back, and we're gonna check. We see some parts that need it. Everything looks really nice. Now I'm gonna use this only one right here, and I'm gonna keep going down. Make sure you get a lot. Spread it all over, basically right here. This crack, of course, you know, it's a huge crack right here. I make it bigger, but you know, as soon as I use the grinder, you start getting the little pieces of rock coming out from the cement, the concrete. And you know, let's keep going down here. The purpose of this is try to stop the best we can the water filtration on the concrete, because that way we're not gonna create more damage to the bottom of the base of these slabs. And you can leave it right there. Here. And now we're going to prepare the cement, and we just wanna put this on the side. Now I'm gonna have my hose right here ready, and I'm using this mortar. Okay, so what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna put that cement right there. I see something similar like this in the video of my friend Mike. I call him my friend because I love the way he works the concrete in PA. He's a very professional guy. I'm a noob doing this. But you know, you learn thanks to these guys. And sometimes, sometimes I hear you guys learn stuff from me. Well, I learned from another guys too. And you know, try to do my best here. It's like I told you guys, this is a makeup. This is just a makeup, a quick fix for this. Let's put this cement right here. Make sure this thing is gonna dry it out with this. And this is pure mortar mix. Mortar mix, nothing else. No sand, no nothing. Everything is right here. As we're using pure mix. We're gonna leave it right there for 1 second. And I'm gonna prepare the magic paint. Told you guys. I'm gonna get my magic brush and home. Get some dirt too. And we're gonna do this amazing work. You guys see this? This is dirt. real dark. Right here. And we're gonna put this with some water. And Again, guys, this is not my idea. We're gonna make some chocolate right here. You guys see this chocolate right here? Well, it looks really, really nice, right? This is courtesy of my friend Mike. I'm gonna put the links below for this professional guy in concrete. You guys can learn a lot from this guy. And this is what for? Well, this is for do a makeup on the finished cement. You guys see this? Well, unfortunately the cement dried too fast and I wasn't able to do it. But I hope I'm gonna do it in this one. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. You guys will see it's a big difference. Alright guys, I was waiting for this time just to show you guys that basically, thanks God, I'm very happy with the job done. It's almost around 2 months and the work is still the same. Everything is very nice and I like it, you know. Like I told you guys, I don't know for how long I'm gonna stay. That crack right there, it's been like that. I didn't repair that. I leave it on purpose to see if it covered it. But this one right here, the one that used to be there, it completely vanished. This one is part of the cut they have to make the division right here, and just see that color because it rains. But basically everything looks nice. I like it, and well, that was my humble way to fix this, and so far it works fine. Alright guys, hope you guys like it. Thumbs up, subscribe, and see you guys in another Just My Review.